Ancient Hebrew, aka Paleo-Hebrew, is actually Kibantu, hidden in the Bible code. A French missionary named Abbe Proyat wrote in his book that the Bantu people of Congo have in the language an exact identical lexicon with the Hebrew language, the Greek and the Latin. Now, the Bible is a collection of books, hence the term Biblia. These are scrolls, Bantu scrolls, which they stole and perverted. We will provide linguistic proof that the biblical Hebrew is Kibantu, that is to say, Lingala, Kikuyu, Kikongo, Zulu, etc. Now let's read from the book of the beginning. Genesis 1 verse 26. And Elohim said, let us make man in our image and after our likeness, and let them have dominion. The Hebrew word for make, asa, is actually the Lingala sala, which has the same definition: to do, to accomplish, to make, to work. Yes, to work. Sala. And the Hebrew word for likeness, which is used in this verse, is demut. Demut. All the Bantu languages will tell you Muntu is the likeness of the Creator. So the Hebrew demut is actually the Kibantu Muntu, the likeness, similitude of the Most High. Nzambi Ampungutulendo. And Muntu is also seen here in the Hebrew word Kidmutenu, which actually comes from the Bantu Kimuntu, and Kimuntu means humanity. Yes, the humanity that the Most High created. And take note that man, Muntu, was created according to scripture to have dominion. Now, when you have Muntu, the Mu is a prefix, which signifies the one who is. So Muntu means the one who is the force or the divine force, the one who is the possessor of the divine force, the Ntu. So we have Muntu, yes, a person who holds a divine force, who exercises divine force. And we have Kimuntu, which is the humanity, right? Which the Most High created, people who hold the divine force. We also have the word Dimuntu. Yes, Dimuntu. So he created man in his own image. And the word man in Hebrew is Adam. Now, Adam can be seen in the Kikongo word Andombe, which also has the consonants ADM, which gives us Adom or Adam. Now, Muntu Andome means black man. Subscribe and follow for more. I am Nabi Kefas.